So a stem and leaf diagram is formed by splitting numbers into two parts, in this case tens and units. The tens form the stem and the units form the leaves. This information is given in a key. So this is the example of a key where we know 2 and a line 5 means 25, not 2.5 or 250. So an example is 6 would be recorded as 0 tens and 6 units. This 9 here is worth 39 because the stem is the 3 tens, which is 30. This part of the tree is showing the data 21, 23, 24, 24, 25 and 27. A stem and leaf diagram is a good way to organise data into groups without losing any of the detail. Here are the ages in years of the 24 employees in an office. We think of each value as having a stem and a leaf. Here, the stem is the tens and the leaf is the units. So, if we take 19, the 1, the 10, is the stem and the 9 units become the leaf. So, in your book, I'd like you to work your way through the list of data, splitting each number into tens and units and writing the leaf next to the correct stem value. So, for example, I would write in 19, it's got a stem of 1 and a leaf of 9. Then I will take 23, which is a stem of 2 and a leaf of 3, and so on. Press pause on the video while you do that and then press play. So hopefully your stem and leaf diagram looks something like this. All of our data has been put into the stem and leaf diagram. It can be made even more useful if you now put the leaves in order and add a key. Have a go at doing that and then press play to see if you got it correct. This is what your new stem and leaf chart should look like, including your key. It doesn't matter if you haven't taken 1/8, you could have taken 5/3 and put that means 53. You could have taken 2/1 and put that means 21. So it doesn't matter what part of the chart you show as long as you have got a key. So now what can we tell from the stem and leaf chart? Well, let's have a look here. The data has been grouped into tens, but you still know exactly how old everyone is. From the shape of the distribution, you can see that the most common age group is in their 20s. There are a lot more younger employees, so people less than 40, than there are older than 40. And we can get that information just by looking at the shape of the diagram. Have a go at putting this data, which is the temperature of children, into a stem and leaf diagram. You might want to do a working out one like we did before, where you just put them in this order here, and then your actual one where you redo them in the correct order. Don't forget your key. Press pause while you do this and then press play to continue. Okay, so this is what your final stem and leaf diagram should look like. And if you look at the key, 36/5 means 36.5. It's really important that you remember that leaves can only be one digit.